G'day, this is Peter from the Collectors Club, and I'm back today with another delivery. This is delivery number 14, and I bought this online in the Philippines on Shopee. Okay, I bought this on Shopee. I believe it is some Tomica, so let's check it out. Time to unbox. Alright, well I thought I'd be doing some unboxing today, and I thought these were the Tomicas that I ordered, but actually these are the 50th anniversary Hot Wheels favorites. This is the Ford Ecoline pickup, which I bought two, and I thought I'd be doing unboxing today, but I won't be because actually I've got these, and I'm going to keep these in the card. I'm not going to probably muck around with these. I might at a later date when I've kind of got my skill level up when it comes to customization, customize one and keep one for myself. I'm a little bit disappointed though. Look how bent that card is. Now I bought this on Shopee from Hot Wheels Direct, and I'm pretty upset because the card, it's bent. You know, they're creased. You can actually see well on this one where the creases are on the card. Not real good because I'm wanting to keep at least one of them for my collection. But look, nonetheless, it's a really cool car. I love the pickups. I love the combi vans. I love the Ecoline. This is really, really awesome. This was on sale for 299 peso plus shipping. So I thought that was a bit of a bargain. I better pick it up. Love the rims on the Ecoline and the headlights. Look at that. That's unreal. Really, really cool. So really happy with that, regardless of the cards being a little bit bent, which is annoying to say the least. And I'll be giving a review to say, hey, look, on Shopee, hey, look, you know, why the card's bent, because I'm a bit upset about that. But otherwise, awesome. Awesome car. Really cool. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. This has been Peter from the Collectors Club. Have a great day, and bye for now.